kiss Gabriel.
How many times?
3.
3 times.
Yeah.
And what did Mommy say?
She said no.
Why?
Because I've been kissing Gabriel.
We don't kiss boys that aren't our family.
Yes, I did kiss him.
Abigail, you're too little.
They see me.
I see you. I think I'm going to tell your daddy. I'm going to tell your daddy you're kissing boys. Can I tell Daddy?
No.
Why not? What will Daddy say? What will Daddy say if he finds out?
I'll go tell Daddy that you've been kissing Gabriel.
What is he going to do?
He's going to spank my butt.